Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 5th to the 9th. For September 5th to the 19th. For September 5th to the 9th, we're forecasting a ridge over the Northeast Pacific into the west. And we still have this trough here for near Hudson Bay into the central states. And we have our ridge here affecting a portion of the East Coast. The pattern will allow periodic intrusions of cool air from Canada through early next week. The first surge of cool air is forecast to reach the northern plains on Sunday, and temperatures are forecast to be at least 20 degrees below normal across the northern and central plains. The heat will remain in place across the southwest for much of the period and may strengthen into the weekend and surge northward into the northwest. And high temperatures in the 90s are forecast for the hottest locations of the interior northwest. Then in the cool air, snow will be possible across central and northern Rockies next week. And now a reverse from yesterday. Organized heavy rainfall is forecast for the south central plains to the upper Midwest as moisture interacts with a frontal boundary. And we'll take a look at that snow. Let's see if we can find that. Oh, we can see snow here. Let's see. A little bit of snow here. This is a GFS, and we'll take a look at the European. And then we still have a little bit of snowfall across the northern Rockies. So this is associated with that cool air moving in. We're going to look now at the forecast for September 10th to the 15th. And the central U.S. troughs forecasting further south into the plains, and a ridge remains over the Northeast Pacific and the west and the Atlantic into along the East Coast. So for this forecast period, the models look like they're showing good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for along the East Coast. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for much of this region, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now for September 15th to the 19th. Models are in better agreement as I have been since yesterday when they weren't in good agreement. But we still have we still have a ridge here and across the northeast, eastern Canada, into the east. That's all said. And then we have a weak trough here, but the models are showing differences in the strength and the height anomalies. This is European ensembles. What other one show? Yeah, the European ensemble seems to be the most amplified. And then we look here. So ridge. So it looks like they're in better agreement. A weak trough here into the central states. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies near 12 degrees above normal. And this might be a little bit too high with the anomalies, but calling for below normal temperatures for much of the east. And I'm forecasting now about 4 to 8 degrees below normal, because I think some of this cooler air might move into the east. This might be still overdone. So then looking at the precipitation, calling for Below normal precipitation for the west, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Then we have above normal precipitation for this region, probability of occurrence is 35%. Then again, taking a look at the tropics. Let me see if I can get to the models. Okay, we're going to look at a couple of models here. This is the GFS, and we're going to look at Marco. This looks here is Marco, and then it kind of moves inland and dissipates. And then we'll take a look at the other models. There's Marco again, and then it dissipates over inland. And then we'll take a look at the rest of the tropics, and we'll look at this wave that's coming across the Atlantic. It's forecast to merge with the system, and we start seeing some kind of swirl taking place. Then we have another wave coming off the coast. Here's the first one. This is GFS. Then we look at the European ensembles. It kind of brings it westward towards the Windward and Leeward Islands. Here's a forecast of development. As this wave moves here, merge with this wave. And then here's Nana, and this will be moving into the coast in about 36 hours maybe. And then Omar will be moving away. And we'll take a look at the satellite imagery. This is Nana. She has good outflow, but the low level spin, it seems like the convection has moved back over the low level spin. So it's holding its own before it makes landfall soon. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 5th to the 19th. Thanks for coming, Jim Unley's World of Weather, and have a good day.